Anyone that knows me knows I don't like coffee, but these right here hit the spot. Let's start off with everyone's favorite, the Dalgona Coffee. I think what makes this so popular are the accessible ingredients and easy to remember steps. All you need is an even ratio of instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. I would start off with 2 tablespoons of each and adjust from there. Then you whip it real good until it's nice and thick. Then you add to a cup of iced milk of your choice. I had oat milk on hand and it works perfectly with this drink. Next, we have Yuanyang, a popular drink from Hong Kong made with coffee and Hong Kong milk tea. The name translates to Mandarin ducks. In Chinese culture, the Mandarin duck is a symbol of lovers, like the word lovebirds. The term is often used to describe pairs of things that make a good match. For this drink, this refers to silky smooth tea and strong coffee, which despite tasting very different, much like the color of the male and female duck, are actually perfect for each other. And you know I had to. Here's a Dalgona version with Hong Kong milk tea as the base and the coffee whip on top. Lastly, we have Cách, Vietnamese Egg Coffee. The story goes that the drink was made in the mid-1900s when milk was scarce and whisked egg yolk was used as a replacement. First, you brew the coffee. Then, you separate the egg yolk and add in condensed milk and sugar. I've also tried this without sugar and it works, but may not come out as frothy. I used an electric whisk for about 4 minutes until it came out nice and thick. I would recommend using a smaller bowl or cup because the bowl I used was a little too big and it kind of splattered everywhere. After that's all done, spoon your fluffy egg mixture on top of your coffee and enjoy. That's it! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks! Bye!